We are here at the top. You can see it. This is Nitra, the whole Nitra. It's amazing. Kinda scary, but I love it, and it's so amazing. The view is so great, and everything here. What is this called? Zobor?
Yes.
We are in Zobor pyramid. Yeah. Here is different is Nitra, and then at the back here is the pyramid. An hour and 30 minutes?
20.
20 minutes.
Pyramid. Pyramid.
Let's go to Zobor. Really? Zobor. Hi! We are going to Zobor. It's good here. If you will go here, there's a cave.
Yeah.
Oh, we will check the cave.
Yeah. It's 10 minutes.
But on
It's
the
not
other
so far.
side, let's go to pyramid. Oh, let's check. This they have some wood. Let's go. Station of the Cross. Here. We are here. We must go this way. This is the guide on the tree. They have always here. They have always here. Yeah. In Slovakia, mostly they have guide in the trees. Look, you will see this guide, and on the other side, it's so hard. Soon we will see the caves. Fighting! Look at that view. It's so great. What? My love, don't do that. No. It's a cliff. Downhill. Let's go. The cave. Finally, we are here in the cave. Wait, you could light some candles. Just like this. Nagpahinga na ang nanay niyo. Pagoda na ang person. What? This is beautiful. Rocky roads. Whew. Another sign. Wow. Beautiful view. Almost.
Didn't see much of the sun.
Oh, so nice. Inhale, exhale. I can do it. It's really beautiful. Nature.
It's like when you're going to the falls. We made it.
Yeah, the view. It's so amazing. Worth to climb. That's the road. If you love climbing, come here. You will see. Going there, climbing.
Yeah, this is the end of the ferrata. It's climbing or starting down, go up.